is my first video. This channel is called Broken Hearts, and let's see how this does. All it's doing is loading.
What I do, I need to go get that last can because I pulled out one.
Hey, baby, you want coming? We told you we'd be back.
Listen, I'm kind of thinking of changing the name though.
What have you done? You know why? What have you done? You're all going to prison. Alex.
I gotta tell her something now. It's being something else. I told her something else, please.
Fuck up, man. Do you want to go to prison for life? You can't have any witnesses.
Yeah, but oh yeah.
Angel, we're back for dinner. Twisted, you don't fucking around, bring it out here. I got an idea.
Man, it's taking too long. Huh? Well,
Are you going to tell anyone about what happened here tonight? If you do, I'm going to cut you down.
Hold it, stand. What do you mean? I'll do it. I'll fucking do it.
How many tacos, Dad? Me? Yeah. 3. 3! Oh, really? One for me, one for I wonder who made the and the pork and papas.
Hey, I brought pizza. I didn't make it, but I brought it.
When you said it, he was like,
Hey, hold on. Cook over here.
what ribs? Ribs a while back? All the ribs I made?
Mom?
You gotta be all of
2-3 times?
Mom, but you barely even cook now.
Well, I'm always at work, babe. What are you thinking? Y'all are in school during the day when I work at night.
Well,
She can have it ready by the time y'all get there.
that's your fault.
Right when y'all get there, she can have dinner ready and be like, here's dinner.
You know why?
Love y'all kids. I'm about to go to work.
You know why? Because they'll eat it there. They'll eat it right there and then. They're what's for dinner? You're already done eating. Yeah. But there is something. I'll cook it throughout the day. Well, excuse me, there's things that I'll make throughout the day that way it's slow cooked. So they know that too. No, they can eat.
Where is broken?
You know, you figure with like city out of the house and with Alexis out of the house right now, you figure it cooks less.
More coffee?
It's like it doesn't even change.
Do you want a sweetener and creamer?
Like I'm telling you, they all get It goes to my mom quite a bit. You know why? And I was like, well, they don't feed each other grandma. She's like, well, they always make food that I don't really like. There's been a few times that I've actually bought him groceries and taken him to foodie so he has food that he likes.
I gotta take a piss.
So even at that, every time I go to we can go to her.
Once you uncork it, you're gonna have to keep going back and forth. What was that? Talking about. You hear something? Check it out, Chicken Bones.
What did those guys do? You get lost? That's some fucking sick shit, man.
Everywhere has
Come on out, motherfucker! Whoever did this, you're dead! Hear me, dead! What the fuck? Dead! Fucking murder! Hey, do you want a vinegar chile?
Huh?
Vinegar chile?
That's all it is.
You want the vinegar chile or you want the red chile sauce? Salsa. You want salsa in it or on it?
You kind of.
You so spoiled. I know.
No, you're not like that.
What? What'd you say?
Serena said you were spoiled? I was like, no, you're not.
I'm not spoiled. This dog is spoiled.
Now what?
That dog.
No comment.
He is damn spoiled.
Ain't no comment there.
Mike, are you okay?
He wants everybody to feed him.
Huh?
He wants everybody to feed it.
I don't know. I think I had like a
I
black
feed
eye
him,
or
then he goes to
something.
Junior.
It's
Junior feeds him.
No, I'm good.
Listen,
They
should
go
I
to
call
money.
for help?
No, Dorothy. Listen,
Okay.
you just helped me more than you
Never,
know.
baby. He is spoiled.
Okay. Here's the box. I've got to get out of here. I've got to go, okay?
Call me if you need me, okay?
I'm good. Thank you, Dorothy.
All right. Here you go.
Hey, Chief.
What do you got there, Dorothy? I said, what do you have there? What did Mike want?
You're
I
so
just wanted to
weird.
look through some information about Dog Lady Island,
Yeah, you're
sir.
so weird.
What the hell is he doing, sticking his nose in here? I already told him, stay away from that island.
I think something's wrong. He looked like he was traumatized when he went in the dark, sir.
All these kiddos.
Do me a favor, get rid of this.
I can't get rid of this box, Chief. That was my job.
Then hide it, and hide it real good.
That thing.
And that's an order.
Yes, sir.
I want to hit you on somebody. Hey, you put the eater here. Here, baby.
Oh, it's just
Here. Baby.
Hell, man, we need to talk.
What
You
the
know
hell you
everything
doing?
about that damn island. I need some answers.
You know about the island, but I don't know. You.
Alright, guys, so I don't know what happened to my friend.
No shit. I always wondered what happened. You were
That's
doing
what
so
he
close
used
to
to
the
always.
island. If I were you, I'd stay away.
That bitch on the island. She's after my granddaughter. So I gotta put an end to this curse once and for all.
An attack on the island. That was your
No
granddaughter.
hide and seek.
A couple of detectives came by and asked about it.
You know, I think that bitch killed my son and his wife, too. They were out water skiing by that island, and I think they got too close. She got us.
Just keep your granddaughter away from the island.
Oh, it ain't that easy. I can't take the chance that her or even her kids will go anywhere near that place. I don't want anybody else to die.
You willing to sacrifice yourself to make that happen?
Oh, hell no. There's gotta be some other way to finish this.
I know the chief buried a spirit Indian necklace on the island. I think it holds the power of the curse. Remove it from the island, and it's over.
Yo, you know that detective that's been coming around? I know it, too. I know it.
Where you at, mi amor?
We buried him at the bottom of that quarry with those kids.
He looks like it, maybe. I don't know. I think he's just gonna help him.
Well, how's he supposed to
I don't know.
So all I gotta do is find that necklace and get it off the island.
Yeah, but I know where the necklace is because the people you killed, my friends, told me where the kids dug it up.
So where is it, you son of a bitch?
For the sake of your grand. Not you, you piece of shit. It's at the Indian burial site at the foot of the total.
Is he still over there?
Yeah, well, I know where it is. Get it off the island.
Get out of here.
Logan, do you want one or not? What do you think? Tell doesn't have eggs mixed in it. They don't have eggs in it. I'm still good. Isn't the older one supposed to be picking on the younger one though? Mom, can I start